Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome back to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're checking out Lyria 3, Google's new AI music generator built right into Gemini. If you've ever needed custom music for your content but didn't know where to start, this is for you. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how it works. Let's head over to Gemini, and this is where you can create music using Lyria 3. All you have to do is type in a prompt describing the kind of music you want. For this example, I'm going to create a short jingle for one of our clients, Cleartree. Cleartree is a tree service company. Create a short upbeat jingle for a professional tree service company called Cleartree. Friendly, trustworthy tone. Include acoustic guitar and a catchy chorus. Include the lines "an uncommonly good tree company" and "we answer the phone." Mention tree removal and trimming. And just like that, it generates a completely original track.
When you're looking for a team you can trust, from the trimming of the limbs to the heavy removal, safety and care are an absolute must for a landscape you'll love and a job they'll approve of. Cleartree, an uncommonly good tree company. We handle it all so you never feel lonely. Cleartree, an uncommonly good tree company. We answer the phone. Cleartree, give us a ring today.
The audio incorporated key lines from my prompt, making it feel branded rather than generic. And the best part, you didn't need a studio, a voice actor, or any editing. You can use this for social media, ads, YouTube intros, or even your website. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Lyria 3. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.